Together.
Oh, I thought you were going to have me take it.
No.
Oh, God. You need a camera. You need a regular little...
Yeah. He's playing. We don't need to worry about it. Hey, she's breastfeeding.
I'm not taking her. She's not in the shot.
Like Drew?
He's got the zoom on.
Watch it. I'm saying people like it.
Yeah. Well, no. Yeah. Okay, one more. Okay. Don't move! Oh, we can't. Get back there.
Grab your film on this one.
I'm sorry. But Dave was taking too much time and I didn't get it loaded.
Oh, don't wait on me. Oh, the balloon ran away. Where's Carl? Justin, you gonna get up here soon? Yeah.
Hi, what the hell's the matter with this thing?
Have another bottle of champagne. It'll work wonders.
Me? Shut up, Sean. Anything. Okay, don't move. Well, I may never get my picture saved. Now I got one.
Okay. Can we get up now?
You can get up.
Me and Mary
Now we need Mary and her sister. That'll work. Okay. Are we ready now?
I need to get a picture of Carla.
Carla, where's your two daughters?
And Dave.
You and Carla.
I don't know where the other one is.
Hey, do that, do that.
Put that thing away.
See?
I'm not the See, this is a good one right here.
Yeah, that is pretty good.
You're gonna break this. Yep.
But they should have smashed. They should have smashed it. No.
Yeah.
Go get the ball.
Because then your hand face would look like this. I didn't want that.
And I kept giving him that look.
I know. Stop. But, well, too low. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Turn around. Turn around.
What's he doing?
I don't know. No.
What's up, we'll be up there. We'll be up there, gonna fly up? Oh my God.
You want yours like that too? Justin, come here. Come here. I'll get you.
You were doing fishing?
White magic pig will come first.
She'll read it.
there putting those Yeah.
What was the hours again?
I'm gonna head up. Sounds like I got 3 hours of driving left.
Need some light?
Yeah.
There you go.
Now,
Oh,
that light's bright. You broke it, Dave.
I didn't broke it.
Oh, he don't break too many things.
It took a picture for me.
good.
I need Here, it took a picture for me. You just have to hold it down and hold it still. Is that enough?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, I can do that.
Actually, you know what she did all the other ones?
Throw the paper in here, Dad.
When I'm snoring at night?
I'm saving this paper. That paper is really pretty.
I like it.
It's kind of hard to look at. I don't know
For a while.
I don't have a
She
problem.
wanted to save this.
What's up? Oh. Okay.
I know, but you.
Oh, we need that. Yeah. You have to learn how to cook. What? Maybe I guess you have to learn how to cook. John was just wishing for a new set. Oh. Well, you got your wish.
I could.
And look, they're manly. There's no frilly flowers. Here.
Remember, you have to go to sleep at night.
It won't stick. Good.
So that means you can learn how to cook. When yeah, when you cook broccoli,
Don't burn it.
that won't stick to broccoli, Willow.
Baby, what happens to burn it? You got anything broccoli? It's a fun broccoli. Oh, Henry and Leo and Julie. Thank you.
Here you go.
Sure.
Take some
Hard-boiled egg.
Well, you guys don't talk nothing about the macaroni and cheese.
Ooh, you got a plant too? Yeah.
Did you just get a little food outside?
Yeah.
Who's that for?
That bald spot in the front yard, that's where it's going.
Oh, that's pretty. It's a picture album. Ooh. That's nice. Thank you.
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's one of that?
Yeah. All those
Never
pictures that
developed
we
yet?
have that we haven't put into albums yet.
Yeah? That's your job.
Now this takes it.
Oh, this is our mudslide.
Oh, I got glasses for that.
This is from Grandma.
What a surprise.
She might do this tape.
Oh, out of the mouths
John.
of babes.
What?
Andy and Patty.
They're gonna get married soon if they finish the house. He said it's gonna take a long time.
He said that.
Did he say that really? That big guy and then...
Yeah.
Oh. pepper, herb, olive oil for you to cook with.
Well, I can see this diet ain't gonna work.
Oh my gosh. Pepper, herb, vinegar.
That's
for-
not fattening.
Like a salad dressing?
Yeah, you can mix it or you can cook with it.
Oh, I've never seen
Set it on the counter,
that.
look at it.
Yeah.
I would
And dust it?
Yeah, most people do.
Monthly.
Yeah,
Maybe
that's
dust
it. That's what most people do.
Really? Oh, that's different.
I have to figure out what to use for it. You guys are my guinea pigs.
Might just be for looks.
Oh, no. Guinea pigs. Okay. There you go.
It's got flowers on it if you want.
My turn? I don't have to read all this, do I?
Ooh.
Here's to the bride and groom.
Cheryl and Karina. Cheryl and Karina. It's a little gift box of
Mr. Coffee. Oh, he's trying to tell you that you better get up and make coffee in the morning.
oh, it's a coffee grinder
Yeah,
and
coffee
coffee
Beans.
beans. Starbucks.
It's supposed to be really high priced coffee.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I'll leave you the directions tonight.
That's what you want in the morning?
Yes.
For morning?
Ooh, I want a big cup of coffee so I can take with me to.
Oh, it costs you. This is high priced stuff.
Yeah,
I
coffee.
paid $2.65 for this morning's
You
coffee.
just gotta wake her up in the morning to get it made. That's the price you gotta pay.
She's got to go to work. I don't.
Well, you might get it, but when I leave, she doesn't.
That's awesome. That's pretty.
I'll
Does it
take
have a
care of
card
it.
on it?
I'll take
There's a
care of
card underneath.
What do you mean you'll take care of it?
Water
Water it?
it. Huh?
Water it and stuff?
And you trying to say she.
I kill the plants. You notice how many plants there are around?
Actually, underneath all that paint underneath her thumb, it's really black.
Oh, the plants from Bonnie and Rick and kids?
They smell?
What is it?
Nope, they're plastic, so you can't kill them.
It has a name, but I can't read it. I can't.
Well, they're not.
Oh.
This is pretty cool. Oh, I can take it home. I don't.
Oh, cyclamen.
Cyclamen?
I'll just write plan.
Yeah. No, we want you to
No, it
write
is spelled
the cyclamen.
C-Y-C-L.
And what's that plant outside it?
Azalea.
It's a tree with red flowers.
Azalea? From who?
From, oh, the plant, the tree from Siobhan. Marshall, Donna, Marisa, Barbara. Ooh, nice. Violin.
Oh, those are pretty.
Oh, those are pretty.
They are.
I like those.
We can have, where's David? We can have mudslides tomorrow.
Okay, we left already.
I don't know where he is. But
What is
just
a mudslide? Taste
Those
like?
are champagne.
You wanna try one?
Like a
Here.
Yes, I
Kahlua.
want to try one.
Yeah.
I wanna try one.
They're like
Here's
a
a glass.
blended Kahlua.
Here's the deal.
Like
Better than Kahlua? Is that what
blended,
it
it's like
is?
blended
Oh.
like with ice.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like
yeah.
blended, it's like Kahlua, it's really good.
Ooh.
That's
that
why the
taste?
glasses.
Wine glasses. Oh, how nice. Did you look at
I've never had one. Everybody keeps telling
Good?
me. I've
Oh, it's good. It tastes more like a
chocolate shake.
yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like Kahlua.
It just goes
See, I
just
love
really deep.
sweet
Kind of like a Kahlua shake.
Whoa.
But I had a great big.
Oh, this
big
is
old
for
thing of that
Justin.
for him.
He was looking at this.
His eyes got big.
Yeah. Ow.
Yeah,
Somebody
it's got
give it
nice
those.
colors in it.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it looks like a fun thing to play with.
We could drop the paint, but
Oh, pink.
Girlish bag.
Well, then you should like it.
Mary and John. Oh, that's your time
You
to
like
get it.
girls.
Huh?
You like girls.
This is from Tom and Julie Hazen.
Babe shoes is going on sale.
Oh yeah, there's sticker.
Your
And her
knife?
design.
I got Dave's knife. Take with it. How you open it?
Who said?
Julie, did she? Yeah. I did.
I thought we should be using John's camera for this. But I get
Oh,
two.
yeah.
When I get them developed, I get two.
Nice and easy. Think fast.
My God.
A ball.
Candle. Bubbles.
Dad just
Poppers.
put
Now
on.
that's the fun stuff. That's when you get
Wait a
bored.
minute, wait a minute.
All you young ones, close your eyes.
That's when you get bored. No.
Thanks, Scott.
Just barely.
A picture frame. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, a candle holder.
Did you guys get any ideas? Hit me over the head with it.
And a potpourri pot. What do you call them?
Ooh,
Spittoon.
It's not a spittoon.
No, it's more like a
Oh,
cold
that's
bucket.
great. That would go up in the bathroom. It's really nice.
Oh, you think I'm going to be the butler and bring the champagne while you're sitting there in the bubble bath?
Exactly.
We're going to negotiate this.
Bottles, glasses, that. Yes. Oh, it's beautiful. This is heavy.
And then you can
No,
run,
that's just already
you
made
can run
it.
her a bubble bath.
Yeah.
Whose side are you on?
Light the candle in the bathroom.
That's nice.
I'm not the butler.
She said at the end like this, that you come down and get what we wanted.
Did it?
Oh, could you see me going in there?
I don't like when they swat me.
I think go down here and think, kind of price this out and see what it's like.
Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.
Well, yeah, start on that side. You guys need some leg room?
No.
Well, just take a nap.
I keep
You want to keep those?
Oh, the rest of the people are behind us. Those twists come up close to you now.
Huh?
Keep those split. We're supposed to be here harassing them.
No, somebody didn't put deodorant on, so
Yeah.
they...
Remember that. So bad.
Must be him.
You're right, dear.
Hey, remember that? I told you so.
David and Cindy. Many years of happiness. Congratulations.
I told you so.
Told you so what?
That's what you're telling me. Oh, yeah.
Convenient backstop. What?
Simplify.
It's a grill.
Grill,
Cool
that's
edge
nice.
grill.
Grill.
More cooking stuff done.
They're hitting to you. They really do a lot
No,
of
because
hitting.
they all know you like to cook.
What does the card say? Does it say Jon and Mary? Then it says. It says his name first.
Yeah.
You will notice that my card will say Mary and Jon.
Oh, see? Here.
Is that how that works?
They're giving you all this good stuff, Dad.
I don't think this is fair. I was always taught the woman cooks.
The what?
The woman cooks.
Oh, that's old stuff.
Not in our house.
That's my mom
Did I ever
cooking
tell you
for
about
you.
the
Things are
rabbit and
changing.
shovel sauce?
Oh, we don't want to go there.
Did he cook it?
Yes, I
He didn't cook it, he
think you
charcoaled
did.
it.
Was it real salty?
Oh, you don't want
Was
to go
that
there.
it?
Yeah. It was so bad, and we couldn't tell him, so we made him taste it, and he looked at us, and just, I mean, he couldn't even swallow. It was so bad.
Fed to the cat, and cats wouldn't eat it. Had to bury it.
What is the name? Carol?
This one's yours, Mom.
Frank and Carol.
Is that Frank? Frank must have wrote that, because I can read Carol's writing.
Angela left, she's not gonna get on this band.
Angela! Oh, Justin's crying. Okay.
Sounds like a
Pain.
Use the bottom.
fell down type thing.
You need to sharpen your knife, Dave.
I know, I told you it wasn't very sharp.
This is gonna be from Frank and Carol.
Ron, last one?
I was just checking out this one.
Did you
Yeah,
get
probably got there getting wet.
You got from Dave and Cindy.
This one's yours, Mom. You read this first.
Get it close, Dad.
You left the envelope on.
Service for aid.
It was too long.
Okay, Chris, silverware that doesn't match. She went through it one time and got all the pieces that just
One
matched.
inside.
But somehow, some other ones got in there.
They came from the trailer.
We do not have two matching.
Silverware in our whole house.
We do not have two matching.
Oh, we can just open it now.
You want to do the cards?
Oh, the rose. There's a couple more over there.
Yeah, there's a couple more presents.
Good.
We're playing in the water. Oh, right now.
Mark, Michelle, Tyler, and
That seems like there's more presents in there.
oh, rip. And a picture frame.
Two-sided.
Who's two-sided?
3D.
No, the
paper.
wrapping paper.
Oh, yeah, that's what that is. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the 3D, Mary.
Oh, quit. That's pretty.
No, just give her another one of the mudslides. 3D guaranteed.
You gotta wait till I get the kids
You want one?
home unless you're going to.
See? There you go. Ooh, somebody is pissed off. Like that kids, remember them pictures we all took out there?
I love picture frames.
Nope.
I'm all.
We're gonna shrink them down, fit them in.
They're already shrunk down.
It's my camera, you wouldn't have to shrink them.
That's true. Your pictures look good in there.
Yeah, my little baby one.
Yeah. Fit right in there.
I'm gonna take them and give them to Darcy because they got this new computer and it blows up.
Oh, mine's right on the computer.
The new one that they got?
Yeah.
They got the new
Angela's.
one yesterday.
Angela's and David have one of those. That they can
Really?
pictures.
So I'm gonna see if it,
Yeah.
because I had
I've never
Polaroid
seen it.
and
Does yours do that? Can you put pictures in it? Orange is it? Oh.
You can have them.
something that was going over and over and over.
Well, you can
Okay, don't move it this time.
CD-ROM. I don't know, I've never done it. Ours will do it. But
Very good.
Remember, we've got the program, but I've never done, well, I don't know much about the computer.
Al, just remember that.
What?
You're right here. What's the card say first? We're saying that I'm right.
Oh.
What is this from?
Mom?
His name's Bert.
Oh, yours, it's yours, John. That means that you're the one that's supposed to say, I'm right.
Oh, what happened? Did you get in trouble? What were you doing? What were you doing? Yeah, did you get in trouble? Do you want that ribbon right there on the table?
Justin, go along.
You know what?
Go along.
It won't fly that far though.
Yeah, Will.
Angela, it's a horse place.
Where you
Ooh, I like that. For food use, may poison. It's got gold trimming on it. You don't want to eat it.
Any one of you two give me a bad time.
Come here.
We're gonna stay corner.
It would have been Arabs. I would have kept it for myself. Okay, that's all. Oh, pepper.
Oh, he's gonna look in the bush. It's gonna look in the bush.
Are you wet?
You need to sit
Oh,
this way.
I was gonna say, if you're wet, I don't want you sitting on the lap.
Here.
Shoes are very wet.
I'll sit in
Hot shoes.
Right next to the angel.
Not hot.
So, the angel can watch you.
No, you're not. No. You were running in the water?
We're running in.
Why?
Here, look.
Go see it.
Bill and Linda.
Bill and Linda.
Stir.
Like Lucky Shot.
Right through the little hoop.
No, it hits his knob like that.
I'm not gonna get it.
Oh, I thought you said kiss it, Mommy.
No,
This is not, no,
it's not a cinnamon.
it's not
Edward
paper.
Scissorhands?
It's silk. Oh, you wanna say that? Better watch you.
Hold on. Excuse me. Where's your paper I gave you?
Upside down.
I think you left it on the floor. I didn't find it.
Yeah.
Oh, you better not break that.
Ready? And just a bowl.
Your bowl. Cynthia? It's gone? Oh, maybe Daddy can put it.
Well, you'll have to fix this.
I remember he gave you a pencil. Where did you put it?
You did a little before, didn't you, hon?
I didn't find it. It's gone. It's lost.
Yeah, don't put it in the microwave.
That's not a microwave thing.
No, I need
Cooks
this.
are best on the
Let's see, I'm ready.
microwave.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I missed the basket. That's
You're
it.
supposed to let it
Game's
go.
over.
No, I read it. See if Dad can find a pencil for you.
No, it didn't.
Oh, that goes with the car. I mean, with the plate.
The cart. The horse goes with the cart.
The horse.
There's a card on the table right there. Does that go with it?
No, that one don't go with it.
Huh? This is from you and Clint? Okay. Well, I'm glad you're sitting there to tell me. I've been wondering about it all night.
And I didn't see the cart.
Go with everything you got.
Oh, cute. Even that's you.
You never see me napping yet.
Devin, Because they haven't been here when the TV's on.
That's cute.
I know, TV goes on 5
All
minutes.
right,
turns out it
Dave.
No, you're walking home, buddy.
Oh well.
David, you want a mudslide?
Yeah.
No, not you.
Well, you're looking at me and said David.
Over your head.
Oh,
mudslide?
Ooh, sounds tempting.
Okay.
Are you driving, hon?
No, you are.
Uh-oh, no mudslide.
Okay.
What do you call that?
Call what?
Pepe!
Pepe.
Pepe.
Pepe Lupe.
Aren't you going to sit at the table, choose some color? Chair right there for you. That's for you, that's your chair. Don't let anybody else look at it. Get up. There you go.
No, you can't sit in that chair. I don't want you sitting in that chair.
I'm gonna sit there.
No, Dad,
You
no.
want a
Sit
mudslide?
there.
Hurry.
No.
It's with real cream.
Mommy.
This was something to go get.
I'll put it in the car.
I'm gonna sit there.
Hey.
Mom.
Hey, Mike. My oldest one. This is my youngest.
I'm your uncle.
All right.
I can live with that.
Yeah, I hope so.
Dad, can we take them off?
A while. Grandma, here.
I lost one bowl, so if you come across it.
You lost one of your bowls.